Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and I'll show you how to activate the fingerprint animation on our device. So we should just go into the settings application and then scroll to the biometrics and security. Now just click here to the fingerprints, draw your pattern, or if you got the pin code, just enter the pin code. And here, just to show the animation or to activate the animation, just click once on the switcher, and now we'll check that. As can you see, we just successfully activated the fingerprint animation on our Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.